With Terra Luna 2.0 and Terra Luna Classic both down pretty big this morning, we're talking a 23+% loss in Terra Luna 2.0 and roughly a 10% loss in Terra Luna Classic. People are wondering when the volatility is going to end, so I do want to discuss that a little bit. Now, nobody can predict with any level of certainty when volatility will calm down, when a price will meet a bottom, and so on, but there are certain things that we can look to that may indicate a bottom has been reached, or at least the volatility will begin to subside. So I do want to talk about those in regards to Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna 2.0 at this point, because, I mean, gosh, if you wake up and every morning you see a 20% gain, a 20% loss, it's going to be pretty tough to stomach those swings. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you 6 free stocks during their anniversary promo. $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want a crypto exclusive exchange, you got Voyager down there. You're going to get $25 in free Bitcoin for signing up on that one. But guys, volatility, man. Some investors love and feed off of volatility. So some investors are flocking to Terra Luna and Terra Luna 2.0 right now, simply because the volatility is providing them with the day trade and swing trade gains that they absolutely desire. Now, that's awesome if you're a day trader. So one of the things that we would need to see, and this is kind of, does the chicken come before the egg type of a deal? One of the things that we're going to need to see in order for the volatility to die down is for the day traders and swing traders to leave. Now, unfortunately, one of the reasons that would cause them to leave is the volatility dying down. Now, that's why I say, is it a chicken, is it an egg type of a deal? Which one comes first? Do the day traders leave, or does the volatility subside and then the day traders leave? But, as you can see, once that cycle begins, once the volatility begins to subside, the day traders leaving the Terra Luna and Terra Luna 2.0, I guess, community or trades, it will cause even further stabilization in the price. So that's the first thing we got to look for. But one of the main things, and this is really going to be the main focus, is the fact that we still have not opened up trading for Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna 2.0 on all of the centralized exchanges yet. I know there are several out there that have just reported in the last 24 hours that they have begun trading Terra Luna 2.0, or they have begun doing their airdrops on Terra Luna 2.0, and they have opened Luna Classic up for trading once more. And, I don't know. I know a lot of people are frustrated. I talked about it in the video yesterday. I don't know when all of the centralized exchanges are going to allow you to trade Terra Luna Classic again and Terra Luna 2.0 once more. But here's what we're seeing. As these exchanges, they send out their tweets, right? They send out their notifications that you can trade and the airdrops have been done on their platform. It's all based on the system, or I guess the approval of the Terra Luna 2.0 team. Now, that's fortunate and unfortunate. Let me talk a couple reasons why it's both. It's fortunate because I believe that, the exchanges are not at fault at that point. I know Voyager's one of them right now that is still waiting on Terra Luna Classic to open back up and the Terra Luna 2.0 airdrop. And a lot of people want to blame Voyager, but blame's got to go to the Terra Luna 2.0 team because they're the ones providing all of these airdrops. They're the ones providing all of the, I guess, go-aheads and green lights, for lack of a better term, for the centralized exchanges to open back up and allow this Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna 2.0 to be traded. So it's good in the fact that you can continue to trust your broker and all your exchange and all of that. Bad in the fact that it does look bad on Terra Luna 2.0's team there. But hey, we're here for Terra Luna Classic anyway, right? So, that's one of the bad things there. But one of the good things is that it spreads out the volatility. And we talked a lot about this leading up to the airdrop and leading up to that snapshot, was that if everybody, even, I didn't even think that centralized exchanges were going to suspend trading. I thought that they were just going to allow the snapshot to be taken and move on with their lives. But no, that's not the case. So what that does is it, spreads out the amount of people that are able to buy and sell at the same time. If everybody had access to it at the same time, there would most likely be a massive or mass sell-off across the board with people who only held Terra Luna Classic selling off everything and moving over to Terra Luna 2.0, if that's the reason they were holding, and everybody that was wanting to hold Terra Luna Classic, they would be selling off of their airdrop to Terra Luna 2.0, and it would cause a lot of, increased volatility, yes, but potentially another death spiral in the coin, because if it debuts and all of a sudden it's down 99% again because people are figuring out which coin they want to hold, then, that could have been a disaster. Not saying it wasn't a disaster, but that could have been a disaster in the ICO and in that airdrop right there, or that, I guess that's what they're calling it. It wasn't a fork, it was an airdrop. So these are some of the things that are happening right now, but in order for this volatility to subside, we need all of the exchanges to be back up and running, because that's going to lead to everybody that wants to expose themselves to 2.0 to buy and sell 2.0. Everybody that wants to be in Terra Luna Classic to buy and sell their, Terra Luna Classic or their 2.0, and vice versa. Once everybody has and is on an equal playing field again, the volatility should absolutely subside, and maybe we can once again see the Terra Luna and potentially Terra Luna Classic following the overall crypto market, because right now it is definitely detached from the price action on Bitcoin. And hey, that can be a great thing. That can be a very difficult thing to see, because if Bitcoin is maintaining gains and sitting there at a nice steady pace, but all of a sudden we're sitting on 25% losses in Terra Luna 2.0 and 10% losses in Terra Luna Classic, it can be hard to stomach that type of volatility. But I do believe that we will get there once all of these conditions are met. I want to know what you guys think, though. Have you seen anything else out there that could be causing some of this volatility? Or do you think it's still some of the growing pains of everybody transitioning over from 2.0 or from Classic to 2.0, from 2.0 to Classic, and finding their way and what they want to hold? Let us know in the comments below your guys' thoughts. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You got Claybro883 on Twitter and Instagram, Webull, and Voyager. You guys are going to get free crypto and free stocks for signing up with those, so make sure to check them out. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.